Hey guys, if you are problem, FB KPI add to cart, FB KPI enter checkout, FB KPI view item, FB page view, FB KPI versus tech you are not firing. So today in this video, I will show you how to set up actually Facebook KPI versus event using Google Tag Manager, step by step processing. First of all, you can set up actually FB event page view setup. This actually like the Facebook pixel ID you can set up in a standard page view, and this is actually all page you can set up every step by step. And then you have to set up actually view item, view event ID, standard view content ID, and then you have to object parameter. You have to set actually event ID, view content, FB, and first party cookie to content type, content name, and content ID, value, currency, event name, and a trigger. You get to set up actually view item, and you have to set up actually inter checkout. This is actually property name and object parameter, same object parameter send actually trigger send actually beacon checkout. And you have to set up actually add to cart parameter. You know about the add to cart, you have to same parameter object parameter set, property name, event ID, FB, first party cookie, collections, currency, value, event ID. And finally, you have to set up actually parses event ID, destined parcels, and object parameter, or must be object parameter. You have to send actually event ID, below currency, transaction ID, and then you have to trigger actually parcels mode. And then you have to go actually preview mode. Everything you have to set up actually step by step. You have to check actually Meta Pixel ID. You have to view content, page view. You have to check actually preview mode, view item, and this is actually view item event lights list. So this is actually event ID. And then when user is to come actually submit everything's process tag process actually product, and then you have to see actually process event actually like accurately firing event content ID, content name, content type, currency, event ID, event name, value. And then you have to check actually this is actually every step based view card and everything. So if you are tracking, so I can actually offer a free 30-minute consultation where I will give you your tracking setup. You can book your free call using the link in the description below. Let's make your not losing your valuable conversion process tracking and everything. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe. I post weekly video about GA4, GTM, and e-commerce tracking and server side implementations. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.